Hey guys, welcome to a new weekly analysis slash breakdown of what happened this week from April 1st to April 5th. This video basically will consist as the last one. I'll show you guys what happened throughout the week. This week I was trading a 25k prop firm challenge account from Funding Pips. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. It's a very straightforward video. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I didn't take any trades because it was NFP. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today it's Monday 1st of April. A new month starts today. It's 8:15 a.m. New York time, and I already have my analysis done. So I'm looking for the following. So you guys can see that in the 1 hour, the Sunday's high took Friday's high. They took liquidity and they start going to the downside. This was a take of liquidity of Sunday's low in this area here. Price took liquidity from Sunday's low today, Monday in London. It went up a little bit, but it respected a downtrend and it broke structure to the downside. So what I'm looking right now is this. You guys can see that this looks like liquidity. These two kind of equal lows are equal lows. So I'm targeting that liquidity here, which is actually also Friday's low. So Friday's high has already been taken. I want to see Friday low to be taken as well. And also you guys can see that below this area of liquidity we have a big gap here. That it's also an interesting gap to target. So what I'm looking is the following. First option for price to give us a discount to this area and look for a sell confirmation for us to sell to this area here. Or the other option that I'm looking is for price to mitigate this equal lows, take this liquidity here and maybe take liquidity and go up, or also mitigate this, react from this gap here and also go up. So those are my two analyses right now. I'm waiting if price gives us a discount to sell, or if it just directly goes down, mitigate this zone and then look for buys. Okay guys, so after watching this you can see that price broke structure a little bit, but it didn't close with the whole body, which means that it might be a liquidity grab. So what I'm looking maybe is for price to just take this liquidity here and start dropping, because you guys can see that there's an interesting target of liquidity, which is this trend line. You can see this, it's kind of three equal lows together, which is evident liquidity, which will make me confident to take a sell trade in this area, around this area here. So that's what I'm looking here. So I'll wait maybe for a sell confirmation to see if it's possible to get some sells in this area here. But still, I'm still waiting to see if price don't give me any sign of sell confirmation, and if that happens I'll see if I find buys opportunities to target this equal highs here, which are also, in my opinion, liquidity. But of course it's very important to mention that today at 10 a.m. there's high impact news, which that means that around right now it's 9:25, around 9:35, 9:40, if there are no opportunities for us, I'm not taking any trades until news drop and we see what happens with the price action for today in AU. Okay guys, so it's now 9:35 a.m. I'm not taking any trades until news at 10 a.m. drop. So basically in 25 minutes we'll see if price actually just have so much liquidity in those news that it moves pretty fast to any of those two directions, or if it actually gives us a clear confirmation for us to take any trades. So I'll see you guys after news. But before that, it's very important to say that this might be a no trading day for me. The reason for this is because there's a little bit of confusion of the direction in the market right now, because there's possible sells at this moment here, but there's also possible buys, which make us a little bit confused because there's also liquidity here. That's also a big liquidity here. If I will have to choose one of those two setups, I'll maybe choose sells because of the fact of this incredible liquidity sitting down here. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for. But still, we need to understand that price took liquidity from London's low, which make us also a little bit confused, because we don't know if actually price is gonna respect this liquidity swept and just go to the upside. Okay guys, so even before news, it's 9:48 a.m. You guys can see that price already started dropping, and it's taking now this trend line liquidity that I told you guys, which is beautiful. Unfortunately, there was no entry for us, there was no confirmation for us to sell. Also, it was not a good idea to sell knowing that price just took liquidity from this low here. So I was unfortunate for that, and if we guys can see, there was no confirmation for us to sell. So I understand that this was the zone we were looking for, right? This zone here. But when price reached that zone, it didn't give us like another discount or another break of structure. In this side, you can see that the first break of structure is actually this one. This is the first break of structure in the 5 minutes. So that's why there was no entry. Now there is possibilities to get in here, but my actual target would be, it was this Friday's low, and price just passed the Friday's low. Okay guys, it's 10:24 a.m. and this is the end of today's trading day. It was a no trading day for me. Like I said from the beginning, I was looking for a sell confirmation in this area here. Unfortunately, price didn't give us any confirmation, because as you guys can see, price just went up very fast and it didn't give us a break of structure in this area for us to take an order. So you guys can see it was a whole movement here, but there was no confirmation for us. I was expecting maybe for price to do this, something like this, and then look for sells. But there was also news at 10 a.m. and this movement happened around 9:30 a.m. So yeah, in general terms, in simple words, it was a no trading day. There was no for confirmations for me to take any trades. So yeah, that was it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, Tuesday. Hello guys, welcome to a new daily analysis. Today it's April 2nd. It's Tuesday and it's almost 9:20 a.m. I took a trade today in the EU. It was a winning trade. I will upload this live trading video to YouTube, so you'll be able to see the whole trade live, my decisions, what I was thinking in that moment, and everything from this point here to this point here. So yeah, I invite you guys to watch that live trading video. But yeah, it was a very nice trade. You guys can see all London session price pushed up, but in our session price was respecting the supply zone here. I waited for a break of structure in the 15 minute that you guys can see it here. Let me erase this for you guys. So in the 1 hour, price was in this zone. We were in a downtrend in the major time frames, so price was rejecting from the supply zone here. Then price broke structure on this side, and in our session price gave us a discount to a little bit more than 60%. So price broke structure, then it gave us a discount, and in this zone is where I decided to sell in my specific session. And you guys can see I sold in this area here, right? I sold in this part around 8:05 a.m. Placed my entry around this area here, with my stop loss around this area, and I target this. It was around a 1 to 2.33% of my account, so it was a very good trade. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also hope you watch the live trading video. It's a really nice video. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Wednesday, to see if we have any opportunities to make some profit in the market. See you guys. Hey guys, welcome to a new day in my journey. Today it's April 3rd. It's a Wednesday. It's 8:26 a.m. in the morning, and I'm watching the markets right now. What I like in this moment is that in DXY, that is the perfect correlation, it just took Tuesday's low. So I expect maybe for it to move to the upside, just like I draw here. You know what I mean? Like this, at least until here. That would be a nice thing to do. So if that actually happens, you will be doing the opposite, which means to start selling. The only reason that I don't feel too confident is that price took liquidity from here, but it also respected the supply zone, and overall we're in a downtrend. So in the 4 hours we're in a downtrend, the 1 hours we're also in a downtrend. So that's what I will be looking for some sales maybe here, but also this zone, it's possible because it took this liquidity here, and in the lower time frames we have been going to the upside. So yeah, that's basically what I'm looking right now. It could be a very nice idea to have, so I'll catch you guys later to see what actually happens. Okay guys, so DXY is giving the discount already to this zone here. It's a very nice zone. So right now I'm watching to see if there are some opportunities here for me to take a trade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait to this zone, and I'll wait for a 5-minute confirmation. In Euro USD, there's also a beautiful trade in this area. Hey guys, so it's right now 9:10 a.m. New York time. I just lost a trade 1%. Price reached my stop loss. It was a very nice trade. It had all my confluences. It broke structure in the 15-minute and in the 5-minute to the downside. It gave us a discount. We sold around this area, which was a very nice discounted zone. So yeah, it's completely fine. Yesterday I won, today I lose. The good thing is that yesterday I won a little bit over 2%, today I lost 1%. At the end, it is a risk-reward business model, so it's fine. It was a very nice trade. I'll show you. So price reacted from the supply zone. It also took liquidity from Tuesday's high. It broke structure to the downside in this area here. It gave a discount, and it started rejecting this zone here after filling this gap. Was also below the 200 EMA. It was in confluence with DXY because DXY just recently took Tuesday's low as well, which means basically that it took Tuesday's high in EU, and it was starting to drop. Broke structure, discount as always, and yeah, that was basically the trade right there. it's completely fine. I follow my rules, and that's it. So you guys have a live trading video. I not only record winning trades, I also record losing trades, and I'll post both in my YouTube channel, because like I said in the first video in my channel, I want to focus this in the most transparent process, and losing is part of this. So I will upload both live trading videos to YouTube, and I'll see you guys then. Peace. Hello guys, welcome to the 4th day of the week. Today it's Thursday, April 4th. It's 8:41 a.m. New York time, and I'm analyzing my always go-to-go AU. There's nothing very clear for me right now. In the 4-hour, I see the price filled this gap here, and it's been going up since New York session yesterday, and it also continued going up in London session. And after filling that gap, it's reacting to this 1-hour supply zone, which I honestly like. And it kind of broke structure here. I don't like how it looks in the 15-minute, but in the 5-minute it was like a small break of structure of this small low. I would like to see like a better break of structure, but that's what it gave us. So because I don't like it that much, I'm gonna see how price reacts around this zone here. Price has been going up for a long time, so I'm not looking honestly for buys right now. So that's what I'm looking for. I'll see if maybe some buys appears, but at the moment my bias is based on sales. Hello guys, it's almost 9:10 a.m. There's still nothing for me today. It's not even clear the trend for me. Like, of course I understand that it's been pushing since yesterday's New York session, and it kept pushing London session of today. I know it's right now like in an interesting zone around here, but I would like to see a break of structure at least of this low to consider sells, right? Also, there are some possibilities for price to keep pushing and maybe take this liquidity here, hold this liquidity here. That's also a possibility, and I would like to see if price reaches this point here and it starts rejecting to the upside, breaking structure, and then I will consider a buy position. But if it breaks this structure here, then I will consider a sell position. So that's my bias for today. If you ask me, I will definitely prefer to sell based on the fact that price should reverse, or it will be nice to see a reversal to mitigate all these gaps here. So that's my analysis by now. Okay guys, so it's 9:27 a.m. and I decided that I'm not gonna trade today. I don't like the price action. It's very bullish, but at the same time it's reacting to a supply zone here, but it's also reacting to this gap that was filled here, and in the XY price already mitigated this low, which means that I might want to mitigate this high here. But there's no clear entry for me, there's no clear bias. I already took around 2 or 3 trades this week, I think 2, and I'm positive for this week, so I'm not gonna risk that capital with such a bad price action for today, in my opinion. So that's all for today. Tomorrow it's NFP. I'm gonna record a video of NFP live trading, and yeah, that's it for today. So see you guys next week, because I don't trade NFP in my serious accounts. I'm just gonna do a challenge for tomorrow's video. So I'll see you guys on Monday of the next week. Yeah, so that was all for this week. It was a very nice week. I ended up 1% in profit in this week. Monday didn't take any trades. Tuesday was a 2% profit trade, a little bit more than 2%. Wednesday I took a loss. Thursday I didn't take trades. And Friday, of course, I didn't trade because it was NFP. I did an actual live trading video of NFP that is already uploaded in my channel if you guys want to see it. That consisted on how I trade my Prop Firm challenge accounts. I didn't take any trades. So yeah, that was all for this week. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.